to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we bring creativity to life. Today, we have a super fun drawing tutorial that's going to fill your world with colors. It's all about drawing a beautiful rainbow. So grab your favorite crayons, markers, or colored pencils and let's get started. To begin, let's draw two fluffy clouds at the ends of our paper. They will be the cozy homes for our rainbow. Draw a curved line on one side. And another curved line on the other side. There you go, lovely clouds. Now, let's imagine a big, cheerful smile in the sky. That's our rainbow. Start by drawing a gently curving line from the left cloud to the right cloud. This line will be the base of our rainbow. Time to add those vibrant colors. We're going to draw an arch of colors on our rainbow. Starting from the left, let's make it magical. Red is the first color. Draw an arch that reaches the rainbow's base. Now, orange right next to red. Then yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. And finally, purple. Seven beautiful colors, just like that. Our rainbow is looking fantastic. Let's give it some extra charm. Draw a second line parallel to the rainbow's base, just above it. This will make our rainbow look even more special. Rainbows are full of sparkle, right? Let's add some shimmer by drawing little stars around our rainbow. You can make them big or small and place them wherever you'd like. Let's add a bit of sunshine to our drawing. Draw a cute sun peeking out from behind one of the clouds. Give it a smiling face to make your drawing extra cheerful. Look at that, you did it! You've drawn a fantastic rainbow, full of colors and happiness. Remember, every drawing is special, so feel free to add your own creative touches. If you had a blast drawing with us today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more exciting drawing adventures. Keep creating and keep smiling. See you next time. Thanks for joining us on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep those creative juices flowing, and until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.